Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video. It's T, and by the title you should know what we're looking at already, so let's get right on to it. I know due to circumstances, many if not all of you are on budget, but that doesn't mean you can't have cute nails. What we try to showcase in our DIY nails videos is that no matter the small amount of stuff you have, you can still make it work for you. For example, some of the stuff we use, that's not the purpose for it, but it's still getting the job done. Here's some nails, let's get ready.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell button to become an Aspire to Be star and join our galaxy if you haven't already.
So first things first, as usual, you apply the base coat and then you move straight to the UV lamp. Now it came from under the lamp. It might be a little bit sticky, but that's the thing with gel nail polish. It won't dry completely unless it's a top coat. So now we move straight on to applying the color you want. Elle wanted a neutral color, so it was selected and applied. Now I'm actually taking off the excess nail polish before it's placed under the nail lamp. This may not be a colorful design, but if you want to see more designs by us, feel free to click the iCard. It will take you to a playlist where all of our DIY nails videos are there. And I also suggest you watch our nail extension videos. That's the one when I tried nail extensions for the first time. Elle did them for me and they turned out beautiful. The iCard for that video is also there. It's in the top right hand corner. That's the white line going across with the words. So feel free to click it and watch that video. Here are the nails all finished under the lamp drying. Comment down below what you think of them, and also comment down below if you would like to access any of the products we use in this video. And yes, cuticle oil, the secret for using cuticle oil, it not only hydrates your nails, but when you put it around the area where there's excess nail polish, it gets rid of it easily. Thanks for watching. Remember, aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.